Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry poke cake. I love this recipe. Typically, I would use a white box cake mix for this. However, Gabe really insisted on making the funfetti version, so mine is with funfetti cake mix, but if you want, you can use just regular white mix, and it'll be just as delicious, if not more. And over the top, we're going to make like a strawberry whipped topping, and it's going to be like a fluffy cloud. I love this recipe. It's so easy. It's so delicious. Hi!
Hi.
It's so delicious. My kiddos love it. Everybody loves it. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's get started. Oh, and did I mention what a perfect treat for Valentine's Day? Pink. I mean, come on. All right, let's go.
Don't need some